I am here with you to embrace every morning, to be a quiet companion as you wake up from your sleep, to be the care that you long for. I am by your side around the clock. With my knowledge of you, I will give you the greatest level of comfort. I am your strong and reliable companion. I am your devoted caregiver, accompanying you through countless days and nights, listening to your needs, caring for you meticulously. I am your efficient assistant, the most loyal and protective friend, with you throughout the day to support you and your loved ones. Your smile is my motivation. I will do my best to keep you smiling, performing professional care for you each and every day. Pro Care Series. Comprehensive care, ultimate comfort.